When you're looking to declutter your home or business, one of the most essential steps is finding a reliable and trustworthy junk removal service. In Austin Central, a bustling city with a thriving economy, a wide variety of junk removal companies offer services, but how do you ensure you choose the best one for your needs? Here's a guide to help you make the right choice. Understand your needs. Before you begin searching for a junk removal service, it's crucial to understand your specific needs. Are you cleaning out an entire home, renovating a business, or simply removing a few unwanted items? Some junk removal companies specialize in residential services, while others cater to commercial clients. Knowing what type of junk you have and the size of the job will help you narrow down your options. For instance, if you're dealing with large furniture or construction debris, you may need a service equipped to handle bulky and heavy items. On the other hand, if you're just cleaning out your garage, a company with smaller trucks may suffice. Check the company's reputation. A great junk removal service will have a solid reputation in the community. One of the first things you should do is check online reviews. Platforms like Google, Yelp, and Facebook are filled with customer experiences that can give you insight into a company's professionalism, reliability, and customer service. Look for companies with positive feedback, particularly those that highlight punctuality, courteous staff, and effective service. Word of mouth is also powerful. Ask friends, family, or neighbors if they have recommendations. Get multiple quotes. Don't settle for the first junk removal service you come across. Reach out to a few different companies to compare quotes. Be specific when asking for an estimate. Provide details about the type of junk you need removed, the volume, and whether it requires any special handling. Some services charge by the volume of junk, while others charge by weight or offer flat rates for certain jobs. While cost is an important factor, it shouldn't be the sole deciding factor. Sometimes, a lower price can mean less experienced workers or hidden fees, so always ask for a detailed breakdown of the costs. Verify licensing and insurance. A reputable junk removal company should be licensed and insured. Licensing ensures that the company meets local regulations, while insurance protects you and the company in case of accidents or damage during the removal process. Ask to see proof of both before hiring a service. In Austin, junk removal companies are required to follow specific city and environmental regulations, including proper disposal of items. An insured and licensed company will ensure that your junk is disposed of responsibly and legally. Check for eco-friendly practices. Environmental responsibility is becoming increasingly important, and many customers in Austin prefer junk removal services that recycle or donate unwanted items. Ask the company about their sustainability practices. Do they recycle or donate reusable items? Are they committed to reducing landfill waste? Companies that prioritize sustainability often have partnerships with local donation centers and recycling facilities, ensuring that your items are disposed of in the most eco-friendly way possible. Assess customer service. Customer service is a key factor when choosing a junk removal company. You want a company that is responsive, respectful, and easy to communicate with. From the moment you reach out for a quote to the completion of the job, you should feel confident that your needs are being addressed. Does the company answer your calls or emails promptly? Are the staff friendly and willing to answer your questions? Good communication and a professional demeanor are signs of a trustworthy company that values your business. Consider the scheduling flexibility. In a busy city like Austin, timing is often crucial. Make sure the junk removal company you choose offers flexible scheduling that fits your needs. Some services allow you to book a time that works best for you, whether it's during the day, evening, or weekend. It's also important to ensure that the company can complete the job within your timeline, especially if you're under a tight schedule due to a move, renovation, or a similar time-sensitive project. Look for additional services. Some junk removal companies offer extra services that may be useful to you. For instance, some may provide demolition services for small structures, such as sheds or fences, or offer cleaning services for the area once the junk is removed. If you need more than just junk removal, inquire about these additional services when reaching out to potential companies. Conclusion: choosing the best junk removal service in Austin Central requires careful consideration of your needs, the company's reputation, pricing, environmental practices, and customer service. By following these tips and doing thorough research, you can ensure a smooth and stress-free experience. A reliable junk removal service will not only help you clear out unwanted items but will also make the process more efficient and sustainable.